Plates online dance tutorial. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Cal, and today we're going to do Sister Nancy Bum Bum, remixed by Henry Fong.
So the full choreography can be seen in the link below in the description. So check it out before we start.
We're going to teach this choreography in 3 parts, and we invite you to, at the end of each part, pull up that video and dance with us with the music.
Before we get started, make sure you're warmed up and ready to go.
Listen to your body and take this at your own pace. So, let's get started.
Yeah, let's go.
You.
All right, this is section number 1. So, to start off, we're starting right at the beginning of the track. So, if you're listening along at home, we're going pause, step, step, pause, step, step, pause, step, step, and then we're gonna run, dun, 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 dun.
Yes.
Or something like that.
Doesn't matter which leg.
You'll get it with the
You're
music.
all good, yeah. Then we're going to go cross, cross, 1, 2, 3. Cross, cross, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, waddle. And then from here, you want to be nice and low so you have somewhere to go. Hips to the back, to the right, left, left. And this is for you to express yourself however you like, however you feel in music, go for it.
Maybe you want to look at your butt.
You can look, yeah.
You want to look up. You just want to look at the
You
front.
can put your hands anywhere you like. Yeah, cool. Let's put it from the top all together. We'll try and match the pace of the song, so you can pull up that other video and have a dance with us there as well.
Alright, so
5, 6, 7, and walk, walk, and pause. Walk, walk, pause. Ready, and run, 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 run. Cross. 1 and 2, and cross. Last one. And hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, nice. Part 2. So we're going to get nice and low, whatever's comfortable for you. And you're going to imagine you're going under a fence with your head. And you're coming through, your hands are going to come up. And you're going to pull in, and your knee is going to come in with you. So just 2 knees. Then we're going to go back the other way. Hands and pull and pull. So we do that twice. And you've got time, so it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4. In. 1, 2, 3, 4. In. Nice. That's it. Yeah.
and for the next bit, we're just going to be flicking our hands up, and our feet are going to come together. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4,
Throw.
5, 6, 7, throw. 2, 3, throw. 5, 6,
Nice.
7, throw.
That is the end of part 2. So let's put that all together from the knees, the bending.
You should be sweating.
Yes. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and in 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and in. Ready, and step 2, 3, throw. Step 2, 3, throw. 1, 6, 7, 8. You. Nice.
All right, this is section number 3. So we just finished going up, and on the and count, we're gonna grab to the right and bring it around. So, and 1, 2, 3, clap on 4 and bring it around the other side, and 5, 6, 7, clap, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 6, 7, 8.
Nice. From here, so we finished our turn, we're facing this way. We're going to go, instead of grabbing on the and, we're going to grab on the 1. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and double, 4 and 1 and 2 and double. And your leg, you're going to bring your fist to meet your thighs, and you're going to kind of crunch up so your hip is coming to meet your hand. So do the first one facing the front, and use the second one to turn to the back, okay? So it's going to be 1 and 2 and double, double. 1 and 2 and double, double. From here, we're going to do 5 counts of booty. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is a dramatic look to the camera, to the, well, camera for me, but to the front for you. And then 6, 7, 8, freestyle. So that's a wrap. Let's put it together from Jordan's bit, from the beginning of part 3. 5, 6, 7, and
1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
1 and 2 and double. Turn to the side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Party. Alright, so let's recap from the beginning. Let's just put it all together with counts. Consolidation time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and pause. 1, 2, and pause. Ready to run. And cross. 1, 2, 3, and cross. 1, 2, 3, and cross. 1, 2, hips, booty. 2, 3, 4, and dip. 2, 3, 4, 1, and in. Down. 2, 3, 4, in, and stepping. 2, 3, and row. 2, 3, nice. 2, 3, 4,
Last
5,
one.
7, and 1, 2, 3, and 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Turn. 2, 3, 4, and booty. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and party. Yeah, nice. That's when the beat drops. So feel free to pull up that other video when you're ready and put that all together. Woo!
That is the end of the choreography. You've made it. Good job. Thank you so much for joining us.
Feel free to jump back to the beginning if you need a refresher, jump back to the music video, but have fun. Thanks for dancing with us.
Bye.
Bye.